So today we're going to um, build a Gantt chart in Excel. So the idea of the chart is for us to visualize our project schedule. So just like kept the end date, start date, and the duration. The duration of first start date. This is our end date. This is our start date. Sorry, this is our end date. So our end date is our start date plus normal duration. So we'll start with this. So we're going to use a condition format here uh, to visualize the data system. So what condition formatting? I'll choose on the rules. I'll choose easy formula based on cell. So straight up is equals to yeah, close bracket. So this is going to be G4 just so the we're going to log forces our data in row 4. So G dollar sign 4 is greater than or equals to our start date, which is on column E. So log E is 5, same thing again for G. Dollars. Now less than or equals to, always move to F instead. So F is 5. Close bracket, big. That's okay. Okay, now let's try it. So if I change our durations, and this is the time is going to also this. So that's all. So remember to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel.